What if you could own the ultimate expression of American luxury, power, and technology in one incredible SUV? Introducing the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V, the awe-inspiring 7-seat SUV that sets the gold standard for premium family vehicles. This isn't just a big SUV, it's a bold statement that blends jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge features, and blistering performance. If you want the best 7-seater premium SUV on the market, buckle up because the Escalade V is about to redefine your expectations. From the moment you lay eyes on the Escalade V, you know you're looking at something special. The exterior commands attention with its massive, signature Cadillac grille that's finished in a stunning gloss black. The sleek, vertical LED headlamps cut through the darkness like twin swords, while the aggressive front fascia adds a muscular edge. At the sides, the Escalade V flexes with bold character lines and massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels that give it a commanding stance on the road. The blacked-out trim details and panoramic sunroof add layers of sophistication, making sure this beast looks as refined as it does powerful. Step inside, and the Escalade V's interior feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The cabin is soaked in premium materials, from buttery soft semi-aniline leather seats to real wood trim and polished aluminum accents. The seats are not only heated and ventilated, but the second-row captain's chairs slide and recline to offer first-class comfort. The power-folding third row makes it easy to switch between passenger and cargo configurations, fitting up to 7 people with room to spare. Ambient lighting lets you customize the mood, while the panoramic roof fills the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. Technology here is truly next level. The centerpiece is a massive 16.9-inch curved OLED touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keep you connected seamlessly, and the 36-speaker AKG Studio sound system delivers concert-quality audio for every passenger. The fully digital driver display is customizable, giving you all the info you need with crystal-clear clarity. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system takes the stress out of long trips, offering semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. Under the hood lies the heart of the Escalade V, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine producing a staggering 682 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.4 seconds. The magnetic ride control suspension adapts instantly to changing road conditions, delivering a ride that's both thrilling and smooth whether you're blasting down the highway or cruising through city streets. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The Escalade V comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist,